I spent this week learning Blender, and well, honestly, it wasn't as hard as I was expecting. Well, I didn't build anything too crazy, but I made this super sick UI design. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I was able to accomplish in a week. Keep in mind this was like maybe an hour a day for 4 days of the week. But hey, I'm kind of busy right now, so yeah. Yeah, so I started off by learning some of the basic controls. What I mostly used was scaling, moving, and bevel, I think that's the name. My first task was to watch a video, of course, and yeah, here's the finished product from doing that. After one 10-minute video, I felt pretty confident with my abilities, and yeah, I decided to try it out for myself. I got started working on a wand because my first game is a game where you cast spells, so of course I had to make a wand. Honestly, for the first thing I made myself, I was feeling pretty good about this model. Then, after I spent all that time figuring out how to make the shading look good, I realized that Blender doesn't import the shading to Unity, so I crashed out for about an hour or two trying to make it look nicer once I got it into Unity, and yeah, that was one of the main setbacks with this first week of trying to use Blender. After I got that fixed, I felt like it was looking pretty good in Unity. Then I decided I wanted to make some cooldowns for the spells in my game because there was no way to tell how long you had to wait before you could use that spell again. So I decided I was going to try and model the UI in Blender. I made this health bar in Adobe Illustrator. Check out that video, by the way. And yeah, I think it looks like low quality garbage. So I decided to 3D model some UI and export it as a 2D image. This was also good because it eliminated the shader issue I had before because I can just render the image and it shows up the same in Unity. So I got right to making the models. I didn't get footage of me making the background puck thingy, but it wasn't really hard at all. The footage I did get was of the different spell symbols I put on it. It was way easy once I got the first one looking good because I could just reuse the same puck in export settings. So yeah, this is the first one I made. It's just a basic spell. Here's what I made for the shield cooldown. This next one is just like a close range blast spell. Here's my fireball spell. For the moment, it's purple. And last but not least, the lightning spell. I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. So yeah, I rendered all those to PNGs, made sure I got the glow looking good, and then plopped them into Unity. I had some issues with the quality at first, so I had to go and make some changes, but at the end of the day, I love how these turned out, and now I'm thinking I should just redo the whole health bar. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, consider following along for my journey, making my first game, and let me know if you guys do think I should remake that dang health bar.